Hello everyone. Myself Anjana Patel, educator at Sri H. J. Gajera English Medium School, Uttaran. Today I am going to teach you a lesson. This is Chodi's Found from the book Honeydew, Class 8. Chodi's Found means here we are talking about a fawn means a young deer. Writer of this lesson is Marjorie Kinnan Rawlings. Let's get some introduction of the writer. Marjorie Kinnan Rawlings was born on 8th August 1896 in Washington, D.C. She was an American author who lived in rural Florida. Her best known work was The Yelling, which won Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in 1939. It was later made into a movie. She died on 14 December 1953 in Florida. Let's talk about the summary of the lesson. So, in this story, Jody's father is bitten by a rattlesnake. Because of the superstition, Jody quickly kills a doe and uses its heart and liver to draw out the poison. And fortunately, his father was saved. But Jody couldn't forget the incident. She was worried about that fawn whose mother was killed by Jody. That is why he just wanted to search that fawn and he went to the forest to search that fawn. He decided to give milk to him. He decided to save the life of that fawn. That is why he went to the forest with Melville in search of the fawn. He hoped to be back home for the dinner, but it took some more time. The buses were very thick in the forest, and he found a lot for that fawn. After much try, he got that fawn, and he brought that fawn at his home, and he dipped his fingers into the milk and let the fawn suck his fingers. So he just wanted to save the life of that scared fawn. Let's start the explanation of the lesson. In this story, Jody's father has bitten by a rattlesnake. So rattlesnake, that is a poisonous snake. He quickly kills a doe and uses its heart and liver to draw out the poison. Doe means here female deer. So here Jody kills a female deer and he took out its heart and liver to draw out. Draw out means to remove the poison from his father's body. Jody wonders what will happen to the little fawn left without a mother. So here the doe whom Jody had killed, he had a fawn. So now he is very worried. He is wondering that what will be happen to that fawn because the fawn left without a mother. So this is Jody's father, and he has bitten by a rattlesnake. This is a picture of a rattlesnake. Jody allowed his thoughts to drift back to the fawn. Drift back to means go back to. So Jody allowed his thoughts to go back to the fawn. That is why he was just thinking about that fawn. He could not keep it out of his mind. He had held it in his dreams, in his arms. He slipped from the table and went to his father's bedside. So his father is still in a poisonous manner. That is why he went to his father near his bedside. Penny lay at rest. Lay at rest means resting. So Penny was resting. Penny means here Jody's father. His eyes were open and clear, but the pupils were still dark and dilated. Dilated means enlarged. So it means that he is in effect of the poison. Little bit affects were still there in his body. That is why he was just lying on the bed. Jodi said, "How are you feeling, Pa?" "Just fine, son. Old death has gone thieving elsewhere." Old death means my chance of the death has gone thieving elsewhere. It means it goes elsewhere and he was saved. But wasn't it a close save? Close save means a narrow escape. It means that it was just escaped. I agree. Penny said, "I am proud of you, boy. The way you kept your head and did what was needed." So kept your head means stayed calm in a difficult situation. Whenever we are in difficult situation, we are hesitating. We are not thinking what to do. But here Jody, he is a clever boy, and that is why he stayed calm in that difficult situation, and he found the way how to save his father. So that is why immediately he killed the doe, took out his liver and heart, and he tried his best to save his father's life, and he was succeed in his work. Pa, yes, son. Pa, do you recollect the doe and the fawn? Do you recollect? Recollect means do you remember about that doe and the fawn? I can never forget them. The poor doe saved me. That's certain. Okay, just because of that doe, the father's life was saved. That is why here the father said that the poor doe saved me, and that is certain. Pa, the fawn may be out there yet. It might be hungry and very scared. So here, Jody is very worried about that fawn. That is why he said to his father that, "Pa, the fawn may be out there yet, and it might be hungry. It might be scared." Father said, "Yes, I suppose so. Pa, I am big boy now, and I don't need to drink milk. Why don't I go and see if I can find the fawn?" Okay, it means that I don't need any more milk now, so I can give that milk to that fawn and bring it here and raise it. Okay, so he is just try to get the permission from his father that, "Can I go? Can I bring that fawn here? Can I give him the milk which I don't need because I am a grown up boy now?" Penny lay quiet, staring at the ceiling. Okay, he was just staring at the ceiling. Staring means looking continuously. Just because of that poisonous effect, he was just lying and staring at the ceiling. "Boy, you have got me hammed in." Hammed in means caught in a situation where one can't say no. It means that here Penny is in a situation when he couldn't say no to his son. "It won't take much to raise it, Pa. It's soon start eating leaves and acorns." Acorns means small brown nuts. Okay. "It won't take much to raise it." It means that it will quickly raise. And after that he will means here the fawn will start eating leaves and acorns. "You are smarter than boys of your age." So here Penny said to Jody that you are smarter than other boys of your age. "We took its mother and it wasn't to blame." Okay, we took its mother. It means that they killed that fawn's mother. So surely it seems ungrateful to leave it to starve. So we cannot leave it to starve, and it is ungrateful. Ungrateful means it is unthankful that we killed that fawn's mother, and now he is just starving just because of us. "Son, I can't say no to you. I never thought I would live to see another day." Okay, that is why here father of Jody, he couldn't say no to his son. That is why he permitted his son to get that fawn to the home. Okay, we will read the second part in next video. Thank you so much.